What do you think? Do you like it? You just prefer the cardboard boxes? Yeah, I thought so. So I had a bit of a cold when filming this video, so if it looks like I'm about to cry at any moment, not that, I'm not. I just came in from the cold and my eyes were just streaming. Yeah. Oh, and I chopped my head off in some of the shots. My camera positioning was off and I couldn't afford to redo it. Well, I realised too late. Hi everyone. Yesterday I went up to Maidenhead Aquatics at Wellington, or at Taunton in Wellington. Went to see Fish on Matt because he had ordered in some exciting stuff for me. I kind of got a bit distracted chatting for far too long when I was in the shop. I forgot to do much recording while I was in there, but here are a few of my highlights from popping around and just a few of the fish that I filmed. The shoaling behaviour of these Corydoras pygmaeus is really awesome, and I think these are going to have to be included in the project. If anyone has any wild photos or videos of them, please send them to me. Onto the important stuff, which is actually what I got while I was there, which is next to me here. I've ventured into the house rather than the fish room in the garage for something exciting. So, what we've got is some scape soil. This one will be a wilder one. Not used any of the scape soils before, so that'll be exciting. A hint, it's going to involve plants. Some normal sand substrate. Got a Filto Smart Thermo over there, and stainless steel pipes, inlet and outlet, and then a tank and cabinet. That's what I'll be doing today. Building the cabinet, getting the tank in place in this corner. As you can already see, there's a bit of natural light coming in late in the afternoon, coming across. So you're going to catch the slight side of the tank, but hopefully that won't cause too much sound problems, and I can always keep the blind shut if need be. Moved out everything else. I'm going to start off with the cabinet. Got the scissors. Let's open it up and see what we've got inside. So, I've got it all laid out. Let's get started. This is the Aquil Ultrascape 60 cabinet that I'm going to be building, and then I've got the tank to go on top of it. So, let's just fast forward until the boring bit's done. So the cabinet's roughly level now. Going to get the tank on top, so the weight of the tank compresses the carpet slightly, and then I can finish off tweaking the leveling. As you can see in this video, it is really close to a radiator and a window. It's not ideal. It's the only space I have available for it, and hopefully it'll be running over the summer months where the heating will be on anyway, and I can shut the blinds, stop the window. It's one of those things that if you need space, make sure you've got a decent thermometer in there, make sure that it's not overheating, but it should be okay. I don't really have the heating on that much anyway. It costs far too much money. So, unbox the tank, the exciting part. First of all, the light unit that comes with the tank. And the all-important foam mats. So, tank's now on the stand. Got this sort of cardboard underneath. Don't know if it's meant to stay on or not, but it's that nicely on the foam anyway, so probably just leave it there until I take it off next. Yeah, I'm really impressed. It looks like a really nicely built tank. No air bubbles in the seams. Cabinet is nice, sleek, modern, white. Fits in with the rest of the room. Not that you can see it. It's all white furniture. Part of why I had to get this tank. Condition of getting it into the house, really. Anyway, comes with a light unit, so let's build that. Here's the box for the light unit. So first of all, we've got some stands, legs, whatever you want to call them. And it looks like it's already filled, which is unbelievable. Something really useful about this light is it actually comes with 3 separate plugs, which you can have on different timers, so you can make your own sunrise and sunset settings by having each one come on sort of 10 minutes in between each other. And that does mean you've got 3 cables, but they supply this cable protector which can wrap around all 3 and keep it all nice and tidy and out of the way, which is really handy. So I've built the cabinet and put the tank on and everything, and I haven't actually mentioned what I'm planning to do. So, I'm sat on the floor, sorry, I'm down in seats. So yeah, this tank is going to be rescaped really regularly. I'm not going to keep anything long term in it. It's going to be a little project tank where I churn out lots of different biotopes really. My plan is to pick one species of fish or shrimp or whatever, and one species of plant, and then go with it where sort of that one species dominates and is the most abundantly found. First one I'm going to do is Sierra Leone biotype with West Africa with the clown killifish Epiplatys annulatus, something like that. I'll put it in the screen. With the Nymphea lotus, red tiger lotus. It's going to be bright red plants, black and white fish, a few twigs, but no real botanicals. Pretty simple. Water fairly clear. I'm really hoping the really bright ladies will look really nice. Let me know what you would want to put in this tank in terms of a biotope. Yeah, biotopes, somewhere that you've really been inspired by. Let me know, and I can add it to the list, maybe. We'll see. That's all for now. Gonna get the filter and stuff set up and put the substrate in to get all that done when I'm actually going to do my first tank, and that'll be a different video. So yeah, thanks for watching, and thanks to Fish Rock Map for ordering it in for me. Never seen one in person, this tank. I took a kind of leap of faith in hoping that it'll be a nice tank, and I think it looks really good so far. So